Home Minister Amit Shah is undergoing treatment at Gurugram's Medanta Hospital after testing positive for COVID-19 on Sunday. An All India Institute of Medical Sciences Delhi team led by AIIMS Director Dr. Randeep Guleria is likely to visit Medanta Hospital for Amit Shah's diagnosis shortly. Dr. Guleria is also a part of the Prime Minister's COVID task force team. Amit Shah took to Twitter on Sunday and let the country know about his health situation. The Home Minister on the 29th of July had attended a cabinet meet at the Prime Minister's residence on 7 Lok Kalyan Marg in Delhi. He met with the Prime Minister and several other ministers. Many persons who met him in the last few days, including Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad, Babul Supriyo and others, have gone into self-quarantine and will undergo a COVID-19 test. Because this, as Delhi is seeing a decrease in its COVID-19 cases in the last few days. Yesterday, Delhi recorded 961 cases, taking the total number of infected persons in the national capital to 1,37,000 and 667 cases. 4,004 people have lost their lives in Delhi so far. But as you can see, the curve of rising cases has been effectively flattened and is being brought down at this time.
मन थोड़ा चिंतित जरूर हो गया, लेकिन हम सबको विश्वास है कि अमित शाह जी एक फाइटर हैं और उन्होंने करोड़ों लोगों की इस आपदा में अपने गृह मंत्रालय के त्वरित सेवा से जान बचाई है। देश के करोड़ों लोगों की दुआएं उनके साथ हैं। वो जल्दी से इस कोरोना को हरा करके फिर हम सबके बीच में वैसे ही कार्य करते दिखेंगे।
While a credit war has erupted between the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi and the BJP for this flattening of the curve in Delhi and increased number of recoveries, bringing the numbers of cases, the rate of increase of cases down in the national capital. Take a look. It's a war between the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP.
पूरे दिल्ली वासी जानते हैं दिल्ली में किस प्रकार से कैजुअली इसको लिया गया, दिल्ली में कैसे लोगों का टेस्टिंग के लिए विरोध किया गया। दिल्ली की स्थिति देखते हुए अमित शाह जी ने जिस प्रकार को इसका सब व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में लिया, लोगों का टेस्टिंग शुरू हुआ, कम खर्चे में शुरू हुआ, रैपिड टेस्टिंग शुरू हुआ और इस सब का परिणाम यह है कि दिल्ली कंट्रोल में है।
जिसकी जिम्मेदारी उसका क्रेडिट, उसकी वाहवाही, जिसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसकी क्रेडिट। अगर केंद्र सरकार ये कह देती या आज भी किसी राज्य के लिए कह दे कि गुजरात के कोरोना की जिम्मेदारी हमारी, उत्तर प्रदेश के कोरोना की जिम्मेदारी हमारी, अमित शाह कह दे कर्नाटक के कोरोना की जिम्मेदारी मेरी, तो क्रेडिट सारा अमित शाह साहब को मिलेगा। ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जिम्मेदारी अरविंद केजरीवाल की, क्रेडिट अमित शाह का।
India Today's Milan Sharma tracking the story very closely. Before I go to Karnataka, Milan, what is, is there a health update on the Home Minister from the Medanta Medicity in Gurugram at this time?
Well, Shiv, a very quick update. The Home Minister was admitted at Medanta. He's stable at this point of time. His condition is stable and he's being monitored continuously by the expert doctors at Medanta. We were told that doctors from AIIMS, who are also part of the COVID task force, led by Dr. Guleria, are already in consultation with doctors at Medanta who are advising on the clinical protocol that should be given to the Home Minister. According to the signs and symptoms that he's showing, he's still showing mild symptoms, and his current status of health has not gone worse. It's stable. So this is the update that we have from the health perspective, Shiv. But there are ministers who have gone into self-isolation and quarantine. Some of them who came in contact with Home Minister. Ravi Shankar Prasad is one of them. Babul Supriyo. Meanwhile, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat had also gotten his test done after he met with Home Minister.
Yes.
But the good news is that his test report has come negative. So many ministers are now doing their tests according to protocols, and we'll know more soon.
Okay, Milan, thank you very much for that. Meanwhile,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.